Hello, and thanks for watching this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how changing your crew size or your crew efficiency can change the duration of your production order. So in Acumatica, when we create production orders, the system has a scheduler, which gives us a start date and a finish date. The duration can be calculated based on our runtime and the number of units we're creating. If we're creating 100 of these, it would take 100 hours. Having said that, if we alter our crew size or our crew efficiency, then this could change our schedule as well. So let's dive in. So we're looking at a bill of material here. This bill of material is just a Cloud9 widget that I created. It has one step, uses this work center, and it's taking a couple of items in order to assemble together to make our item. To make one of these, it takes an hour. So now if we take this off hold, we'll close it. And now we'll create a production order. We'll add our item. And we'll produce 100 of these. So Acumatica goes out, and based on what we're doing, it says that it will take a day. We'll finish this on the 13th of April. Now, if we go into our production detail, open that up in another tab. And what we'll do is we'll go into our work center. And what we could see here is we have a crew size of 7 for our first shift. We have 2 shifts here. And our second shift has 5 people. The other factor you have here is efficiency. So Acumatica lets you tweak your efficiency. Maybe you have a bunch of new people that you just hired, and their efficiency isn't quite there because they haven't really been trained. Maybe in a few weeks, you can boost this up. But in the meantime, you could change this to, for example, 0.5. But in this case, what we'll do is we're going to alter our crew size. So currently shift 1 has 7 people, but we need to allocate these people to a different work center. We need to assign them to some other things. So we're going to drop this down to 2, and our second shift, we'll drop it down to 1. So once we save that, if we go to rough cut planning, we'll find our latest production order. And we'll select it and schedule it. Now, when we come back to our production order maintenance, this originally was scheduled to finish 4/13. But if we refresh, notice it moved it ahead an extra day because we cut our crew size down significantly. And again, if we take a look at our work center, if we were to also say, all right, well, that's okay, but you know, these guys, these 2 people, they work at a factor of 10. They're really good. The same thing for the second shift. If we save that, go back to our rough cut planning, reschedule this one, and we go back to our production order maintenance and refresh, notice it moved it back because it says, hey, we're going to finish that today. So that's using your crew size and efficiency to help with your scheduling. That's a new feature. If you don't have 2021 R1, you won't have this feature yet. So that's it. If you have any questions about this or any other feature, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.